Hi guys, Anthony here from Ledz. Today we'll be introducing our brand new 12 volt cob strip DIY kits. Stay tuned as we unbox this brand new fabulous product. Let's unbox. Inside the box you will receive a strip light basic diagram, a power supply, your cob strip, a switch, accessories containing jacks as well as wire connectors, a strip connector and some extra ripcord to extend. Following your strip light basic diagram, take your power supply, take out your jacks. We need a female jack on the end. Optional, you can use some twin flex to extend. The trick here is you can feel a groove. There's a groove on my positive side. Then your switch. Here's where we can extend again. Using the wire connector, push down, put the cables in. The wire connector, now we'll prepare the strip. Take your strip connector, lift it up. Remember that negative is the black. Line it up nicely and push down. Join that to the wire connector, nice and secure, and it's already there. Let's test it. And voila! Also available in your box is a corner connector should you wish to go around a corner. To do this, measure the strip to the length, cut neatly in the middle of the solder, line it up, push there, match your positive with your positive and your negative with your negative. So if the negative is on the inside, make sure it matches. Once you have matched it up nicely, use a plier and push down on the plates so that they bite into the board. And just like that, you have a fabulous corner all ready to be installed.